You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this church in Barcelona, Catalonia. And we'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places around the city, so stay tuned. Now, two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In Spanish, Castellano, it's said as Sagrada Familia, Sagrada Familia. Now in Catalan, so locally, in Catalonia, Barcelona, Sagrada Familia, Sagrada Familia, or Sagrada Familia. And now you know. More videos for you how to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.